Today I'm sharing my income report for April 2023. We're going to go over my income, the individual revenue streams, how much I made, how much I spent. I've got some freebies for you and a lot of fun things. So jumping right in, here are my different income streams. So we have affiliate marketing, digital products, YouTube ad revenue, coaching, Instagram, freelance, sponsorships, all that stuff. My goal for the month is $10,000. We're going to see if I hit it or not. And then this is what I project to bring home for each month of these, for each category. So $2,500 of affiliate marketing, $800 in affiliate and digital products, etc. So jumping right in, affiliate marketing, it was a great month for affiliate marketing. I went way over with what I projected and I made $4,386.54. Next up is digital products. Digital products, I made $123.48. So I was way under the $800 for digital products, but $123.48. I will say I have a full blog post on this as well, so definitely check it out. And that goes into even more detail on each individual revenue stream. So definitely check that out. Next up is YouTube ad revenue. So YouTube ad revenue, I made $707.04. And this is honestly the lowest my ad revenue has been in a long time. Let's look at my analytics. First, we're gonna look at my tutorial channel. So this is my Start Your Online Business with Kelly and Smith channel. And for April, I had 6.9 thousand views, 225 hours of watch time, and 82 subscribers. Now, I'm trying to get monetized on this channel. I still have not reached monetization, and it's been stressful. If we look here under the Earn tab, I have reached the 1,000 subscribers. So I need 1,000 subscribers to qualify. So I've reached that. I have 1,406 subscribers, but I'm a little over halfway there for the watch time hours. So I'm at 2,145 public watch time hours in the last 365 days out of 4,000. So I still have quite a ways to go. I'm not even trying to get the shorts views. I have 4.5 thousand public shorts views in the last 90 days, and I need to reach 10 million for that. So it's either or. So I have a long ways to go, but it's totally fine. I do have a free tracker for you guys, and this is where I track it. I like to visually see where I'm at, and it's really motivating of adding new little bubbles as we color in and as we reach new milestones. So I'll have this linked for you in the description. It is a free tracker and it's gonna be linked for you in the blog post. So definitely check it out and download it for yourself, and then tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your trackers and how you're coming along with your monetization. So let's look here at my top videos I'm gonna look for April, and top videos was Etsy thumbnail. I had 798 views. How to add a thank you message to buyers. This reel did really well, but can't use any of that. For my hours, how to download a lot of Etsy videos. So this tells me that I need to be making more Etsy content because Etsy does well on my channel, which honestly, I don't make a lot of Etsy content, so I need to get better at that. But those are the videos for the month of top videos. And let's take a look at my main channel. So I'm going to switch account here and go to my main channel. And this channel, I have 51,000 subscribers. Let's look at analytics for April. Okay, so April, as you can see now, this is so frustrating. My views and stuff are so down. You can see in the graph here that the past 3 months, they have just been crazy down. I don't know what's going on, but it's really frustrating. Let's look at revenue because we always want to see revenue. But as you can see, April's revenue is down from what it was in the fall, and usually around November, December is like prime time and we make the most. As you can see, November made the most. Actually, July made more, but that's because some videos did really, really well. But typically November, December ad rates are the highest because of the holidays. So advertisers will pay more. Let's look at our top videos. So top videos is why I don't follow Dave Ramsey anymore. 2,700 views. CIT Bank Review, 2,400. 50 Frugal Living Tips, 2,100. Buy This Not That, Dollar Tree versus Walmart, 1,800. Top Cash Back. Let's look, because I know everyone likes to see the CPM analytics. This is also one of my favorite things to look at as well. So this is going to show you exactly how much we're making. So we have the videos here, estimated revenue, the watch pay ads, how many views it got, the playback CPM, and then I don't really look at these last two ones, the YouTube Premium or the fan funding. So playback CPM was $79 for every 1,000 views on this video, which was really, really good. $53, $51, $24, $22, $72. Sometimes I'll look and there's like ones for this one is $197 for every 1,000 views, but it's only gotten 100 views, so I only made $10. So that kind of sucks that it's not. If this video was like this one and got 2,300 views, I'd be making a lot more money, but it only has 100 views, so we're not making too much there. And then you get some like this video that's only $6 for every 1,000 views. And the $6, the CPM, that's what YouTube or the advertisers pay for YouTube. So YouTube still gets their cut from this. So that's not even what I make, but just something to keep in mind. This one, this is insane. How to calculate your net worth. The CPM is $2,477, which is insane. Imagine if this one got 2,000 views. Whoo, that would be like $5,000 right there. Absolutely insane. But it only had 3 views, but off of those 3 views I made $4.09. So it's crazy, absolutely crazy. And this is another high one, $195, 37 views. I made just under $4. So CPM, it varies a lot. It varies based on the time of year, it varies based on the type of content, it varies of how long the video is, how many ads. So many different things go into how much you're getting paid on that content. So something to think about with CPM. But advertisers, this is my CPM. So every 1,000 views is about $33 on average for the month of April, which is decent for my niche. Some niches pay a lot less, so I'll take it. And then RPM, which is what I get paid of that $33, is $18.33. So like I said, just something to keep in mind there. All right, let's keep going here. Blog ad revenue, let's see how much we made here, was $46.32. I don't make much of my blog at all. I get usually between 6,000 and 7,000 page views a month. And so this for the last 30 days, 5,400 page views, and I made $57. So, and that's for the 30 days, but it's a couple months behind. But on average, I'm making $1 to $2 a day, and then anywhere between 94 and 250 views, page views a day. So my blog's not getting too much traffic, but I honestly don't put as much time into blogging as I do into my YouTube channel. So if I put more in, but it pays a lot less, so that's why I don't. My goal is to get to Mediavine, and they pay a lot more, but I do have a Zoic, and a Zoic does pay a lot more than Google AdSense, so there's that. All right, what's next? Courses. Let's see the courses. $249.33, so did pretty decent in courses. Memberships, I have 2 different memberships. I have a Patreon with a Discord, which is a lot of fun, and that is a really awesome community, and we go into chatting on tons of different topics, from money to lifestyle to fitness to all different things. And then I also have a membership with my course of Dreamer to Profitable, where I will go a lot deeper than what my course does, and it's a lot more for in-depth for digital content creators or virtual assistants, freelancers, all of that. Coaching, let's see for coaching, $81.80. So not too bad with coaching, a couple coaching clients this month. Instagram, this is the last month for Instagram, is $33.72. They got rid of their partner program, which is really frustrating, but it is what it is. So $33.72 for Instagram for the reels that I made. Freelance, $1,750 in freelance. I have a couple freelance clients, and I'm doing a big launch for someone right now for their coaching business, which is really exciting. So that was a large portion of the income, 22% of the total income. Next is sponsorships. It's really frustrating that I have some sponsor deals that pay me $3,000 and then some only pay me $250, but with my views being down now, I can't charge as much, so that sucks, but it is what it is. So $250 for sponsorships. for a grand total for the month of $7,695.93. So this was a pretty decent month and didn't hit my 10K, but it was a good month. So I will take the $7,000 for sure. Now, before we get to expenses, I have a free training that's coming up. It is a free side hustle class. So I will have the link to register down below in the description. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna talk about proven 5-step system to create a profitable business online and to make your first $1,000 from home, how to beat your doubt and solidify your awesome business ideas, how to make money off the skills that you already have, and how to create new revenue streams in addition to your full-time job if you have one. So definitely register. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I will have the link in the description. Okay, expenses. We spent a lot of money this month. I definitely reinvested into quite a bit. So I bought 3 different courses this month. I bought this one, which was $1,500, Create Awesome. This is for sponsorships, and then one on coaching as well. And then I bought a book, Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. So total for education development, I spent $1,827.85. Equipment, Pelican products. This is for camera equipment, $66.81. No postage expenses, no travel this month, no clothing this month. And then dues and subscriptions was a lot of just little things that we had. I did have BetterHelp and StreamYard paid in full this month, so those were kind of higher there. $804.62 for dues and subscriptions. No expenses for food. All right, let's break this down. So total expenses was $2,699.28. Total revenue was $7,695.93. Owner's pay, so this is what I send to my family, to our personal family budget, and that was $5,387.15. Operating expenses, 30%. That's my goal, is to spend 30% back reinvested into my business. So 30% of my total revenue would be $2,308.78. But as we said, this is a high income month, so operating expenses did go a little over budget this month, but that's totally fine because some months I'm under budget with operating expenses. But baseline, I try and be about 30% reinvested back into my business. Total hours worked was 82 hours, 82.5 hours. So let's take a look at that. And last month, so 82 hours and 23 minutes. And you can see the hours that I worked each day. Typically between 3 and 4 hours is when I'm working. And some days it's a lot more, like this day was almost 7 hours. But it definitely flows throughout the month. And then you can see here what different places I'm spending my time. So 19 hours, 19%, 14%. So editing, education, my blog, different things like that, masterminds, research and scripting, thumbnails and uploading, webinar, different things like that. So 82 hours this month, which gives me an hourly rate of $93.28. My goal is to be at $100 an hour. That is my goal, but we're pretty close this month. All right, let's look at total income for the year. So I'm gonna break this down. I'm gonna hide these cells here so that way you can see the total here. So we have January, February, March, April, and then total. So total for the year so far, I've made $18,727.22. Affiliate marketing total for the year, $8,195. Digital products, $754. Google AdSense, $3,424.08. Blog ad revenue, $175. Instagram, $265. Courses, $2,800. Memberships, $197. Coaching, $320. Freelance, $2,200. Sponsors, $250, and no speaking this month or this year yet. But I really like to visually see this, and so I can look here and be like, all right, why was Google AdSense so much higher this month, or why are things so low in this month, and what can we do differently? How can we improve? As you can see, my memberships have gone up since January, February, but lower than March. Coaching was about the same. Freelance went way up. Affiliate marketing went way up. So different things like that that I like to visually see so that I can adjust, or I can go back and be like, all right, this was really high. Let's look and see what we were doing that month or the months before, because sometimes it takes a couple months for it to catch up. So just something to look at and visually see it. And then I can see the hours worked here as well. So ranges from 91 hours down to 51 hours, and then my hourly rate as well. So just something to visually see so I can be aware of where I need to be spending my time. I also look if I'm spending a lot of time in a certain place, but it's not paying off. Like if I'm putting in a ridiculous amount of time into Instagram, but it's not paying out, then I can kind of adjust. But with that said, Instagram is honestly a bad example because Instagram can be promotion for my other products. But if I'm putting a lot of time into digital products, but it's not paying off, then I need to cut back on putting time into digital products, and that's where it comes into tracking my time as well. So that way I can see here, let's look at products. So products, I only spent 53 minutes. And so that's okay that it was only $123. If I was spending like 12 hours out of the month, then I would need to readjust a little bit. But let's keep the conversation going. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel, I have a free course on how to start a YouTube channel. Check out this video here. And if you want to know how to become a virtual assistant, how to make some money with the skills that you have as a virtual assistant, check out this video here.